Guess what? Just got some stuff in the mail. We just got some packages in the mail. This one's from Tech Force Services. Wonder what it could be. This one, we're not sure. I don't know where it even came from. Priority mail. They were so delicately.
Cool.
It's a tripod. So I don't have to keep holding my phone. Nice. Now let's get to the good stuff. From Tech Force Services. That was from Richard, Michelle, and EXO. And we got EXO signature on here too. Hopefully everybody threw a signature. Let me see. Somebody licked it.
Happy birthday to you.
This is the decals of EXO signature.
Fried chicken.
Decals and fried chicken. Chicken. Alright, I got that one. Yeah, we got a really cool cardboard. It says thank you. I don't know if you could see it, but it says I like my music loud. That's what I was waiting for.
Glad you got it.
It adds more dBs to my stereo system. Now it's gonna be louder, more rigid, more stiff. Yeah. All right. It's like Johnny 5. Basically, that's how it's gonna look once the phone is in there. Oh. I wonder if it works with the other phone too. I'm gonna do a comparison test. Here was the picture over there. Here was Christina's big head. Dork. And then we're gonna switch it and try it with this on. Alright, I took off my other box type deal, the ballistic one. It's got bumpers on the inside as well as the outside. Now I'm gonna put it in here. See what we got. Yeah, Christina's big head.
Thank you very much.
Alright, let's see if this fits right there. Let's see how much difference it makes.
How much different does it make?
Big time. Look at. Yep, from the makers of Blend Tech, we have Ghetto Chris. The French fries and some big old hot dogs. They're big. The batter wagon. There's a dog. Okay, Tucky. Seeing what they're doing to the truck. Can't see it, but they're cutting the back bumper and raising it. You know me, I find ways around stuff. And I threw up the new stickers. Getting good at stickers. That's a tease for Eduardo. Los mandaron a arreglar y ya no los pudieron pagar o algo. 96, $13.50 cash. $4,900 for a Buick. As is, quién sabe quién. $27.50 cash as is. Okay, $700 off. I don't know what the hell that means for the price. Nice little Benz. Ooh, cop car. We had one of these. It knocked off $1,000. 3 stacks. Oh, a beast wagon with a surge sticker. Oh, too bad that thing's kind of beat up. I have standards, damn it. It is nice, but expensive to fix. ¿Quién sabe qué, cómo correrá? Does it run? Eight lug nuts. Oh yeah. Had to come back and take a second look. Has a really cool front black grille. Nice.